What's going on, Wolfpack? Today is super cool. We will be installing the Arai DF-X2 on my helmet and checking out how this will look on it. So, what's the purpose of this air wing, you ask? Well, it's supposed to be an eliminator for the wind at those high speeds. Not that I go fast or anything. So even when you're riding on the street, it's really beneficial because you won't face that turbulence or the pull when you're going on those high-speed rides. But let's get down to business and do the install, shall we? Alright, so first things first, I want to make sure that I'm looking at the instructions. I have already cleaned my helmet, made sure everything looked good prior to making this video. So you're going to want to make sure that this wing is set at the third position, the middle position, because it goes up and down like this. So you want to make sure that it's set to the middle spot, just like that. Then we're going to be removing a third of these tabs right along here and removing this full tab right here by pulling this one down a third of the way, just like that. And then removing completely right there. Now we're going to want to stick these parts underneath this one. So I actually closed my vents. I made sure they were closed because I want them closed. You're not going to be able to access these super easily once you put this on. So I'm going to slide this up, make sure this is underneath and this side is underneath. We're going to push it down here like this, and then using those tabs, removing this part, removing this side, pushing down to make the adhesive stick just like that. Check that out.